everybody. My name is Kimber. I am 9 years old. I'm for Kids Public Speaking by myself. I am pleased to share this speech with you. Random act of kindness. Harry James, an American writer, once said there are 3 important things in life you must remember. First is to be kind. Second is to be kind. Third is to be kind. I share this word with you because it is my wish for humanity. I can easily win for an A+ in my mathematics. But if I do not do the work, I cannot get an A+. I can wait for a cure in cancer or war peace, but I only 9. I would like to do these things, but I can't. But maybe someday I can. But for now, there are things I can do, and one of them is to be kind. I've seen children and mothers begging in the street, and it makes me feel sad. When I come across the children begging, I will ask my mom for some money to buy bread, cakes, drink for them. At least I know they'll sleep with a full tummy for the night. Kindness is amazing. If you want to give a choice to be right or to be kind, choose to be kind. So let us go do something right now and to be kind someone you don't know. Do you think we can make a difference? I do. I know we can make a difference. So let's go do it. Thank you.